Hello everyone, in today's session we will be discussing snack bars. Snack bars were recently included by Android to incorporate a new type of what I would like to call a toast, right? It's very similar to a toast, it is just that it has gotten functionality in it also. Once we start coding for it, you will realize that it is written very much like a toast, but you can also set functionalities in it. So it's like in between a dialog box and a toast. All right, so let me just show you what all have I made. So these three buttons you can see here, the first one is a simple snack bar. If I click on it, you see there's this at the bottom, there is a snack bar which is coming, which says this is a simple snack bar. If I click on with action callback, then alarm is set, and there is another option which comes undo. So basically this is the functionality that is given to us, and if I click on undo, then cancel alarm appears, right? So this is more like little more than a toast message, because in toast you do not get to set any functionalities. And then there is custom color snack bar. If I click on custom color snack bar, you can see the Bluetooth off appears in the yellow color, which is unlike the previous cases, right? So now we will move to our Android Studio and see how to make all this happen. All right. Yeah, to make a snack bar, we will this time not make an empty activity, rather we will make a blank activity. Demo. And we will, sorry, basic activity. Earlier this used to be called as blank, now they call it basic. In the basic activity, as it gets created, go to activity underscore main. And first things first, we'll remove the toolbar, which we don't really require here. And we can also do away with the content main, because we will design everything within this layout only, and we don't need to have another XML called as content main. So we can do away with this, and we can now start working on our activity underscore main to define the layout. I'll provide an ID to this. It is here that we had a content main layouts declaration, right? So what we will do, we removed it. So what, instead of that, what we will do is we will have a linear layout, and we will start defining everything here only. As you saw in the video of the app, we require three buttons. The second button is action, action snack. Third is custom color. Yeah, this is how this is looking. So I think this looks fine for time being. You can change it by giving it different gravity or making margins, but our motive right now is first to understand how does the snack bar work. So we'll move to that. We will first declare a coordinated layout. These are the three buttons that we have to use. We can also remove toolbar from here because we have already removed it from the layout. I will start here the declaration for coordinator layout, sorry, definition for coordinator layout. We will do this two more times. And we will also change the relevant changes to be made. Okay. What's the ID? Custom it is, but it is not taking custom, so okay. After this, we will start setting on-click listeners to this. We call the SnackBar class. You see, like a toast here also, you have toast.make, you have snackbar.make. You pass on coordinator layout here and the message, and then the length. Let's keep it short. Yeah. Similarly, we will also do for other two buttons. For custom, it's going to be let's do it for action first. Let's put it here, set alarm. And here we will also do one more thing because it's a action button. We will also put another set action. and we'll give a message here like remove alarm. And here again we will give a new dot view dot onset on click listener. Yeah, so basically what is happening is we are setting the on click listener within on click listener, as in this is where the button definition started, and then we use the on click listener here. And here what happens is, as I click on this button, there will be a snack bar which will show me an action of set alarm, but there will also be another action of remove alarm. So if I click on that, then also this remove alarm button is also operational, which is set within the snack bar, right? So here also I can make the changes whatever I want to make. Sorry, here also I can make it actionable. This is also done. This ends here, but I also need to show another, and that is done here. All right. So this button is done now. Now we will go to our another button, which is here. We'll give a different message here. And here again I will give another option for user. We also need to define the length here first. Set action. Undo. And this is fine now. We need not give. Let's give a toast here if we want to. here we write SB2. Yeah, so this is also done. The three buttons are fine. We don't really need these, so we can delete these because these come by default with our basic activity, but we don't really need them. So just to avoid any confusion, we can remove them. So this is also done. Let us run, no, before we run it, yeah, now we can run it and see if it works fine or not. So guys, we got this layout now on our screen. Let's try this. How does it work? I'll click on simple snack. Yeah, simple snack bar is working. Then I click on action snack. Yeah, set alarm, remove alarm. Both of these are appearing. Let me click on remove alarm. Yeah, this is also working. And then I click on custom color. If I click on undo, then the a toast message appears. So that means our snack bar is done. Now as you saw that a snack bar is in between a toast message and a dialog box. When you click on an action snack, you see that you can make the buttons on you can click stuff on a snack bar and make things. So we would not really call it a toast message. It's kind of a dialogue, but dialogue could have had more number of buttons or more number of functionalities, whereas a snack bar has limited owing to its size, right? So this is done, and in our next session we will discuss floating hint, as to how you can give a hint to your user before he or she puts in the input in an edit text, and the hint stays there as long as he or she is typing whatever he or she is supposed to type. All right, so see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.